test it most likely. It just shoots out of the robot. They hope to throw an opponent 10 feet in the air, 20 feet across, and remember these are 250-pound opponents. It'll be going up against Blizzard in the red square with a spinning bar weapon, or a spinning disc rather. The disc is made of S7 tool steel. Blizzard competed last year, 2011 Combots Cup, where he had trouble with the shaft on that weapon breaking. The drivetrain, the entire body of the robot drove fine, but the weapon kept breaking, so he shortened and thickened the shaft so it would have less tendency to break when it's driven into the arena wall.
That's pretty cool. I don't think it's going to survive, though.
Versus a flipper in this fight.
Not a chance.
And once again, we have two robots that met last year at the 2011 Combots Cup. Blizzard was able to defeat Son of Ziggy in a judge's decision. So Son of Ziggy looking for revenge.
Welcome to say wherever you like.
Son of Ziggy being brought to you by Team CM Robotics, consisting of Michael Lurie, Robert Frankovich, John Canfield, and Ronnie Gerber. Blizzard in red square from Team Toad, Michael Fuzzy Mullen, all here by himself.
Aww.
And both of these robots weighing in at 219 pounds. Blizzard in red square is a relatively new robot for Fuzzy, but he's been competing for years. In fact, the body for Blizzard was manufactured 11 years ago as a spare for a robot he had at the time called Frostbite. A little round tube on the top of Blizzard is a camera. It looks like we're good to go.
We did.
And we will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! As Ziggy hits a seam in the arena floor, Ziggy flies the foot, but Blizzard drives off. Blizzard's upside down right now. Still able to produce sparks on the titanium shell of Ziggy, though. Ziggy trying to flip it just a little too late. Blizzard up at the rear here. Ziggy ideally would like to get that front of the lifting wedge with the face. There. Beautiful white titanium sparks again used every time Ziggy spring. Ziggy flipping it. I don't know what he just flipped up there. There's a flip. And Ziggy puts Blizzard right side up again. And that's just the first minute of the fight. We still have 2 minutes left. You see there's a small solar piece in the front of Blizzard there that's designed to help get the Ziggy on top of that. More sparks produced. Both robots looking for position to use their weapons. Pushing Son of Ziggy into the wall now. Son of Ziggy's arm is stuck in the upright position. Blizzard escapes and now it looks like the arm. Oh, Ziggy's. And now Blizzard has free reign to attack Ziggy from all sides. You see the wedge of Son of Ziggy torn up, knocking the arm out of position. And Son of Ziggy is tapped out. Winner! After that huge